welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I shape my nails stiletto. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get notifications. And now let's get started. So to file my nails, I'll be using this glass nail file which I bought from an Instagram account. I love glass nail files for two reasons. A, they last way longer than emery boards and metal files. B, they can be washed with soap and water, which is great. You can buy glass nail files from the Nika website or Amazon. Check out my recent post on Instagram to know which account I bought my glass nail file from and the price I bought it for. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also check out my other two videos on how to shape your nails square and oval. The links will be down in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.